Hi, this is Tiana Despain with Week 2 Lab. So our first test trial will be an incorrect username here. It says we're not authenticated. Number 2 will be an incorrect password. It says we are not authenticated. Number 3 will be both the username and the password being incorrect. And it is not authorized. Number 4 will be the wrong index. It is not authorized. Number 5 will be valid. It's going to be the Black Knight. Number 6 is going to be King Arthur, and it should be valid as well. His password being runaway. Alright, and our last test will be the French soldier, and it should also be valid.